To perform a soft reset, first open the Oura app on your phone. Navigate to the Settings menu by tapping the Settings option. From Settings, scroll down and select Ring Settings. In Ring Settings, find and tap the Restart Ring option. The ring will briefly turn off and then turn back on. This soft reset doesn't delete any of your data. A hard reset, also called a factory reset, completely erases all data from your Oura Ring and returns it to its original factory state. This is different from a soft reset, as shown in this comparison table. Before attempting a hard reset, always back up your data. This flowchart shows the process of data recovery backup, which is crucial to avoid permanent data loss. A hard reset is a last resort option because it permanently deletes all your data. This warning screen illustrates what happens. All personal files, settings, and apps are removed, similar to what occurs with your Ring's data. Just like this critical system error, a hard reset represents a complete breakdown and restart. Always try soft resets first to avoid this irreversible data loss. Open the Oura app on your smartphone to begin the hard reset process. Tap the Settings icon in the top right corner to access the app settings. Scroll through the Settings menu to locate the Ring Settings option. Within Ring Settings, select the Factory Reset option to initiate the hard reset. A confirmation prompt will appear, warning you about data loss. Confirm to proceed with the reset. When considering a physical reset, first check your Oura Ring model. Earlier generations had different reset methods compared to the current Gen 3. Oura Ring Gen 1 and Gen 2 models included a physical reset button located on the inner side of the ring. This small button allowed manual resets when needed. The Gen 3 Oura Ring, however, relies entirely on the Oura app for reset procedures. There is no physical button on these newer models. For legacy Gen 1 or Gen 2 rings with the physical button, press and hold the button for several seconds to initiate a reset. After resetting your Oura Ring, open the Oura app on your phone to begin repairing the device. The app will guide you to connect via Bluetooth. Place your Oura Ring close to your phone and follow the on-screen prompts to establish the wireless connection. Once connected, you'll go through the initial setup process again. Select your ring size and specify which hand you wear it on. After selecting your preferences, complete the setup by confirming your profile information. Your Oura Ring will then begin tracking your health metrics like readiness, sleep, and activity. After resetting your Oura Ring, you might encounter pairing issues. Let's troubleshoot step by step. First, make sure Bluetooth is turned on in your phone's quick settings. Check your Settings app to confirm Bluetooth is enabled and your Ring is listed as a connected device. If Bluetooth is enabled but pairing fails, try restarting your phone to refresh the connection. Update the Oura app through your App Store to ensure you have the latest version with bug fixes. Look for update notifications in your App Store, as shown here with the badge indicator. If syncing issues continue after trying these steps, reach out to Oura support for personalized assistance.